These two local women now speaking out about their experience suffering from COVID-19. One, soft-spoken but determined to survive and regretting her decision not to get the vaccine.
As soon as I get out of here and get well, I'm going to get vaccinated.
Since yesterday at this time, 13 more people have been admitted to UF Health for treatment of this fast-spreading illness.
And at one point today, the hospital's total number of COVID patients was 130, up from 117 yesterday. Now, UF Health and other local hospitals are restricting how many visitors can come in. Tarek Miner and News4Jax reporter Corley Peel are covering the latest surge in local cases.
We begin with Corley live outside UF Health. Corley.
Right now, UF Health officials say the hospital has the most COVID-19 patients it's ever had, even before the vaccine came out. And this is impacting how many people can visit their loved ones in the hospital. Hospitals are filling up with COVID-19 patients as the Delta variant spreads like wildfire.
Well, before I came in, I felt like I was about to die.
Deborah Wells is at UF Health in Jacksonville. She spoke to a national reporter on Monday.
I thought I had a cold, and come to find out it wasn't a cold.
43-year-old Janine Starling is from Lake Butler. She is home now, but was hospitalized at UF Health Shands in Gainesville, where she says it was a close call.
I was told that I probably would die. My husband was called at like 3 o'clock in the morning, saying that I probably would not live through the night.
According to UF Health in Jacksonville, due to the COVID outbreak, the hospital is limiting one visitor per patient. As of Tuesday, officials say there are roughly 127 COVID patients being treated. Baptist Health is updating its visitor policy on Wednesday. Officials say 253 COVID patients are hospitalized now across all 5 of its locations. 59 are in ICU. Only one patient is fully vaccinated. The rest do not have the shot. Mayo Clinic patients are allowed one visitor and are asked that they be vaccinated. However, COVID-19 patients are not allowed to have visitors. Health experts say the majority of hospitalized COVID-19 patients aren't vaccinated. Both Wells and Starling say they did not have the shot.
You don't make me want to get vaccinated now? If you feel like you're dying, you want to get vaccinated.
But now, looking back, I wish to God I would had. And I mean, there's nothing I can do about that now.
I did speak with Deborah Wells' mother on the phone. She says her daughter is doing better, but she's not sure when she will be able to leave the hospital coming up tonight at 10. I speak with an infectious disease specialist who shows us why the Delta variant is infecting people at a faster rate.
If you're infected with this virus, you're getting sicker quicker because you have a lot more virus that you're producing in your respiratory tract, as well as infecting more people around you because you're producing more viral particles.
Also coming up tonight at 10, we'll hear more from Janine Starling and how the COVID-19 is giving her side effects that for the long run and how that's going to be impacting her as she continues her battle for COVID-19. Reporting live from Springfield, Corley Peel, Channel 4, the local station.